Hello everybody, this is my Dave Bradwell chassis for a B1, which I've now got to the point where the bogie is in, the springing is in, the motor is in, the wheels are in, it's quartered, and it will now run at least on a pair of jump leads from a controller. The springing is still not quite set up right, and you'll see that there's considerable piles of lead on the top. But I think I'm rather pleased with the way that is running. There's absolutely no binding on the quartering, and it's pretty smooth. I think the next step is to make some pickups of sort and then see how that goes. Thanks for watching.